Hello, Jake. Have you noticed how expensive internet plans are in the US? I feel like I pay a lot every month.
Yeah, I know. Internet here can be really expensive, especially if you want high speeds. What kind of plan do you have?
I have a fiber optic plan at home, and it's pretty fast, but it costs about $80 a month. What about you?
I have a cable internet plan. It's around $60 a month, but it's not as fast as fiber. Do you think your internet speed is worth the cost?
Honestly, yes. My speed is about 500 Mbps, so streaming and downloading are super fast. What's your speed?
Mine is about 200 Mbps. It's okay, but sometimes it slows down during peak hours. Do you have internet at work too?
Yes, at work, we have even faster internet, around 1 Gbps. It's amazing. Do you have internet at your school?
Yeah, but it's not that fast. Maybe around 300 Mbps. It's enough for teaching and basic use, though.
What about your phone? Do you use 4G or 5G?
My phone is 5G. The speed is incredible, especially in big cities, but it's not always consistent. Do you have 5G?
Yes, my phone is 5G too, but I heard some places still use 4.5G. Do you know what the difference is?
Yeah, 5G is much faster and has lower latency, which means everything loads quicker. 4.5G is like an improved version of 4G. Faster than 4G, but not as fast as 5G.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Do you ever worry about your phone's data usage?
Sometimes, especially when I use video streaming apps like YouTube or Netflix. Those apps consume a lot of data. What about you?
Same here, but I try to use Wi-Fi as much as possible, especially at home or work.
Me too. Speaking of Wi-Fi, how's the customer support from your internet provider? Is it good?
It's not bad. If I have a problem, they usually help quickly, but sometimes the wait time on the phone can be long. What about your provider?
Honestly, the customer support is slow. I had an issue last month and it took them almost an hour just to answer my call.
That's frustrating. Do you think U.S. internet providers should offer better customer service?
Definitely. Considering how much we pay, they should have better support. But at least the internet quality is usually good.
True. It's reliable most of the time, but I still think prices should be lower. Some countries offer faster internet for less money.
Yeah, I've heard that too. Hopefully things will improve in the future.
Agreed. For now, we'll just have to deal with it, I guess.
Well, at least we have internet. It's essential now for everything.
Very true. I don't know what I'd do without it.